The preceding signals are a test of the warning alarm feature of NOAA weather radio. All hazards. When hazardous weather is expected to occur, the National Weather Service will transmit a tone that will activate specially equipped weather radios. Weather radios with these features can be purchased at your local radio dealer. Tests of the warning alarm tone are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If threatening weather is expected or is occurring, the test may be until the next reception of no weather radio hazards broadcasts vary greatly from place due to distance and terrain, as well as atmospheric conditions. On station KIG 60, 162.4 megahertz, the National Weather Service will activate the warning alarm tone when hazardous weather is expected to occur in the following counties. In Vermont, the counties of Franklin, Grand Isle, Chittenden, Addison, Lemoyne, Washington. In New York, the counties of Clinton, Essex, St. Lawrence, and Franklin. On station WXM 44, 162.475 megahertz, the National Weather Service will activate the warning alarm tone when hazardous weather is expected to occur in the following counties. In Vermont, the counties of Windsor, Windham, and Orange. In New Hampshire, the counties of Grafton and Sullivan. On station WNG 671, 162.50 megahertz, the National Weather Service will activate the warning alarm tone when hazardous weather is expected to occur in the following counties. In Vermont, the counties of Addison, Bennington, and Rutland. In New York, the county of Essex. On station WWG 50, 162.425 megahertz, the National Weather Service will activate the warning alarm tone when hazardous weather is expected to occur in the following counties. In Vermont, the counties of Orleans, Caledonia, Orange, and Essex. In New Hampshire, the counties of Coos and Grafton. On station KBS 508, 162.525 megahertz, the National Weather Service will activate the warning alarm